So, here we are. We're camping. We're gonna do this. We're camping. There's lakes surrounding us. There's lots of trees. This area is where we're gonna camp. We're gonna sleep in the woods tonight. Alright. I'm not ready for this. Second stage. Got the tent all nailed in. I gotta put the little rods in there. It's a nice pretty day out here. Third stage is complete. We got the tent up. Very strange looking tent.
I think that's what these are.
What's that for?
These are actually what you're supposed to hook onto this stuff, like these loops here,
Oh,
and you pull it out. So you're gonna have strings out this way.
oh, so that's what the metal poles are for too?
Maybe. I don't know yet. It looks like the metal poles go through here and then attach here. So that's what those are for. Let's see here. This one says rear pole. Okay, so this one goes in the back. And that way, see, it creates a place for air to flow through
Yeah.
and stay comfortable. You got the second pole?
Yeah.
Well, it took us a minute, but we figured it out.
I can't tell you how many years it's been since I've put this damn thing together.
I don't remember. Now we gotta untangle all this shit.
So, 3.5 H done. Well, Santa's all ready. So, all set up and ready.
Now what we need to do is go get some firewood.
We'll chop some trees. No, I'm just kidding. We're not chopping trees. I like trees. Oh, we're really doing this. Alright. We can do it. Spiders. Little picnic table. There's other places people can come, but we're the only people out here for now. But we got our safety precautions. Alright. Here's Will. Searching for firewood. He's over there. I'm trying to disappear. Ow, crap, that hurt. This is a nice one. Oh, there's a nice one too. And this one. And these rocks are pretty. Pretty rocks. Guess I'm gonna stop recording now so I can finish gathering that firewood. There he is, Mr. Woodsman. The woodsman. Look at him. That manly man.
This is our first campsite. I'm trying to think, what is today? It's the 23rd, February 23rd. It's like 70 degrees out here. It's a little brown, but
See it? Can you see it?
oh, hold on, hold on. If that truck don't scare him off. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Hey, it's a male. See that beard on its chest hanging down?
Yeah.
That's a male. Unless it's a female that has too much, you know. That does happen, but it's kind of rare.
I was gonna kill it.
You were going to kill it?
No.
What the hell for?
I'm just kidding. I was gonna kill it. I'm sure I thought about killing it. So,
That's cool.
putting that down.
See if I can get some of them seagulls in here a little closer. There they are. We're up here at the lake, taking a walk, heading towards the beach. Weather worn? Uh-oh. Mosquito. I didn't think we'd have to worry about those. I had one trying to dig into me. Oh, there's some unusual rocks out here.
Yeah, these rocks are very strange looking.
Huh. Cool, cool.
I'm about to record the rest of the video. Or we can just mash it together.
Yep.
Why does this rock look like this? My God. I like these rocks. They're really weird.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Let it, nope, not a geode.
Can you zoom in on it?
Slow. It's a big one.
It's a small one, yeah.
Then they're fighting. So dark. No, he doesn't even care.
Oh, listen.
What are those?
Sounds like tree frogs. This is our campfire at our camping site. Will just made us some poking sticks so we can roast some marshmallows and weenies and anything else we want to stick over the fire. I don't know what he's doing. Where you at, Will?
Can't see me.
There's Will. Will sharpening a stick. I think he's going to go hunting. Here's the campfire, or what's left of it, and our lantern. The tent is obscured by shadow. Are you making it pointed so you can stab something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you know why they howl?
Some of it's communication.
And what else would they be howling?
I thought that was the reason, communication.
So warn people to get out of their territory.
How would you know that?
So I just looked it up.
Really?
Yeah.
They howl to get others out of their territory.
Yeah.
So what would happen if I did this? Ah!
What are you doing that for?
Letting them know this is our territory. What do you think? Will it work?
Well, when they start tearing you apart limb by limb, let me know.
They don't have a 357. I do. Maybe this will help.
Why are you making so much noise for?
I guess to prove I'm not afraid.
It's not helping.
I refuse to be afraid. I'd rather die than be afraid.